How to transfer money with TorFX account. Follow these instructions. Sign up online or on the TorFX app, uploaded, proof of address, and bank account info to verify your identity. Log in, select your transfer amount and currency, review the live rate. TorFX doesn't charge transfer fees. Choose between a spot contract, instant, or a forward contract, future date. Confirm if you're happy with the rate. Enter the recipient's full name, bank name, IBAN, SWIFT, BIC, and country details for accurate delivery. Send money to TorFX via CHAPS, UK, SWIFT, Global, or debit card for GBP only. Use same name accounts only. Once funds are received, TorFX sends the money to your recipient. Most transfers complete same day or within 1 to 2 days. Use the app or website to monitor progress. You can also contact your personal account manager for updates.
Thank you for watching.